If you like a lightweight, slim watch with auto light and many advanced features, then this might be the one for you. Yes, this year Casio has released several new non-G-Shock digital models. Two of them are the AE1600 with its large digital display and case, and the LF30, a slim world time model. And now this one, the W220H, is something totally different. It's a unique slim watch with the spirit of a digital field watch, more or less a similar watch to the discontinued W94. This model could be a great alternative to the F series like the F91W and similar. It's easy on the wrist, plus it adds many more functions. Similar to the W737H or MWD110H, with the addition of an auto light, all in a much smaller, slimmer form. This one is the basic 1AV color variant, and looking at the series code, it feels like a continuation of the popular W217, W218 and W219 models, all sharing the same key feature, 50 meters water resistance. This watch is small and lightweight. The case measures 43mm lug to lug, 36.6mm wide, and 10.9mm thick, and the total weight is just 27 grams. It has 50 meters of water resistance, and the battery life is about 3 years using a small CR1616 cell. The case is rounded and made of resin plastic that feels high quality with a neat finish and smooth corners. On the front side, there are 4 decorative pin patterns, markings for each button, and the word Illuminator printed on the top part that has a slightly darker shade. There are 2 chrome-plated buttons on each left and right side, with button pieces that create a smooth transition and give the case a tougher, fuller look, compensating for its slim profile. On the front, it uses spherical resin glass, which looks cool and a bit classic, but it's also more prone to scratches. Below that is the light button in a darker contrasting shade. On the back, there's a stainless steel backplate with 4 screws, engraved with specifications as usual, and again, the case finishing and assembly quality are very good. The bands are made of bio-based resin with a resin buckle. It seems Casio is continuously trying to make more products that are more environmentally friendly. However, as far as I know, this material is relatively new in Casio's regular lineup, and I hope it will last longer than the usual polyurethane resin or PUR to help reduce waste. The surface has a fine texture that continues to the buckle end. It also has a wave pattern to help with air circulation. The bands attach to the case using 18mm spring bars with standard open lugs, meaning it should be easy to replace them with other straps. The lugs are slightly curved, adding comfort to the already compact 43mm lug-to-lug size. Overall, the thickness feels well balanced, not too thick, not too thin, and the band has good flexibility. The only concern is that the keeper looks a bit thin. As expected, the buttons have a bit more spring action compared to the F series, but they are not heavy or difficult to operate. The button diameter is also larger, making them comfortable to press. The watch gives a high-pitched tone when entering the timekeeping mode, which helps with easier operation. The only note is that it fits the low-profile design very well, but it doesn't have a silent button operation mode. The top section of the display has a second progress indicator bar placed horizontally. On the right side, there's an indicator wheel for auto light, split, alarm, and signal. The main display shows the time in timekeeping mode, and below that there are indicators for the modes: timer, stopwatch, alarm, and dual time. The digits are crisp, though a bit small, almost similar in size to the F91W digits. Unlike the previous model, W94, which uses an EL backlight, this model uses an amber LED on the left side of the screen. It is not too bright, but sufficient to illuminate the entire display. It also features an afterglow, keeping the light on for about 2 seconds after pressing the button. Not only that, it's one of the few non-G-Shock Casio models that has auto light, which automatically turns off after about 3 hours to save battery power. Now about the modes and functions. First is the timekeeping mode. It displays time and date with 12 or 24-hour format options. And then countdown timer with range up to 24 hours, adjustable by hour, minute, and second. The timer also supports auto repeat, and even includes a progress beeper. And then stopwatch mode, which measures 1/100th of a second for the first hour, then 1 second precision for up to almost 24 hours. Includes split time and elapsed time, plus modern features like auto start, which means 5-second countdown before starting, and target time. And then alarm mode. This watch has one daily alarm but no snooze, and an hourly time signal. And then the last one is dual time mode that lets you set another time zone with selectable format. But if you rarely need another time zone, you can set it the same as your main time to avoid confusion. The watch is very light, slim, easy to wear and easy to operate. It's also easy to read, though some may prefer larger digits. The option to return to timekeeping mode by holding the mode button is very convenient. Combined with the decent backlight, front button, afterglow and auto light feature, this makes the W220H a very comfortable watch for daily use. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, number 1, it is slim and lightweight, very comfortable to wear, especially for those who prefer smaller watches compared to the bulky W series or G-Shock. Number 2, good build quality. Clean finishing on the case and band with solid assembly and smooth rounded design. Number 3, modern features in a very compact size, including auto light, afterglow, progress beeper, and 24-hour timer. It is rare for a small digital Casio. And then eco-friendly band. Uses bio-based resin material, showing Casio's move towards sustainability. And then 5, decent backlight performance with afterglow provides good nighttime readability. On the other side, there are also things you might want to consider. Number 1, it has no silent mode, which can be inconvenient for users who prefer quiet operation. And then number 2, only one alarm and no snooze, which might be limited for users who rely on multiple and repeating alarms. And then 3, spherical resin glass that is prone to scratches. It is attractive but less durable than flat mineral glass. Number 4, small digit size, which might be harder to read for those used to larger displays like previous W series models. Number 5, the size might be a bit too small for larger wrist. And frankly speaking, I wish Casio would also make another version with a 40 to 43mm case and 100 meters water resistance. It would be superb. I would recommend this watch to users who love slim, minimalist Casio digitals but want more features than the F91W or F105. Also those who prefer lightweight daily watches that still have modern conveniences like auto light and progress beeper. And it is great for students, casual users or collectors looking for a practical digital field style Casio with classic looks. In summary, the Casio W220H brings together the best of Casio's compact digital line, the comfort and simplicity of the F series with the added functionality of larger W series models. Its slim and lightweight form makes it perfect for everyday use, and the addition of auto light, afterglow, and a long 24-hour timer gives it a surprising depth for such a small watch. While it lacks features like multiple alarms or silent mode, the W220H stands out as one of the most practical and comfortable new releases for those who value both functionality and simplicity. And that's all for this review. Thank you for watching. I will also make tutorial for the basic settings and also the details. So don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.